I'm Michelle Mikes, the K-12 Mathematics Supervisor for the Cobb County School District. Our district is committed to helping students succeed, and you as parents are an integral part of this process. To help keep you informed about what your child is learning in our math classrooms, we are excited to provide you with these informational videos on concepts taught throughout the school year. Thank you for taking the time to discover ways to support your students' learning.
Welcome to the Kindergarten Unit 1 parent video. My name is Matt Hartman, teacher leader for mathematics. Today we are going to discuss the components of the kindergarten Counting with Friends unit. In this unit, students will count, write numbers 0 through 10, represent sets of objects, and understand about numbers as they count. In this unit, students will count to 100 by ones. They will also count forward from any given number. Counting in sequential order is also known as rote counting. This is done orally without paper and pencil. This can be practiced at home or on the go. This could be an activity that is done in the car. At home, you could toss a ball back and forth. After catching the ball, say the next number. There are also many great games such as Hi-Ho Cheerio and Chutes and Ladders where students can practice counting. It is also important for students to be able to count forward from any given number. So when you're practicing with your child, don't always begin at 1. Start at other numbers, like counting up from 15. You could also do this at home with sets of objects. For example, if there are 6 bears in this pile, the student should be able to then count 7, 8, 9, 10. This can be done with coins or beans or other counters. Students will also count objects arranged in a line, objects arranged in a circle, and objects arranged in an array. I'm showing this with pennies. At home, students could do this with their toys or stuffed animals as well. In this example, this line of pennies shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They should know that if another penny is added, that would then be 6. They should be able to count on. Students should also be able to set up as much as 10 objects in a circle. In this example, they would count at any starting place, and it's a good idea to hold that place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And finally, an array of objects. Students should be able to count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Students will count objects using the correct number. The students will also understand that the last number named is the number in that set of objects, and they will understand one more when counting. Counting objects using the correct number is also called one-to-one correspondence. At home, give your child a set of objects such as spoons. Have them count the spoons, making sure that your child touches and slides each spoon as they are counting. Each object should only be counted once, and one counting word should be used for every object. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unit 1 addresses using the numbers 1 through 5, and by the end of kindergarten, they should be using 1 through 10. Also when counting, they should understand that the last number named tells the number of objects counted. That is called cardinality. In this set, the last number counted was 5. That tells us that there are 5 spoons in this set. Also when counting, students should understand the concept of one more. If a set of objects is increased by one more object, then the number name for that set is to be increased by 1 as well. They should be able to do this with and without objects. For example, after counting a set of bears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they should be able to answer the question, how many total bears would there be if we added one more? We would hope that they would not have to count the set of 5, but be able to say 6. At home, you could do this with objects, but also you should ask your child, what if I had 7 toys and added 1 more? How many toys would there be then? This could be done in the car or in line at stores while waiting. And finally, students will write numbers from 0 to 10. Students should be able to represent a set of objects with a written numeral. Also, they should be able to create a set of objects when a numeral is presented. A fun way to do this at home is to count objects and have your child write the number in shaving cream. Have your child count quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then write the number in the shaving cream. If they added another quarter, that would then be 5 quarters. In summary, the Counting with Friends unit introduces students to counting objects, understanding the number of objects in a set, and writing numbers.
Thank you for your time. We know that when families and schools work together, student success increases. Please visit the Cobb County Math Department website for additional information and resources to support your student at home.